Welcome to Product Critique. And today we're diving into what we consider the best detergent storage solution you can find, the HomePekite 3+1 Pack Laundry Pods Container Set. If you're someone who loves an organized laundry room and values both style and functionality, this is the product you've been looking for. Right off the bat, the sleek design of these containers stands out. Made from high-quality acrylic with natural bamboo lids, these containers exude a modern yet rustic charm that will elevate the look of any laundry space. Whether you're storing laundry pods, scent boosters, dryer sheets, or even powders, these clear containers allow you to easily see the contents without needing to open them. The wide mouth opening makes refilling and accessing your items a breeze, and the bamboo lids add a touch of class while keeping everything secure. Each set includes 3 large containers, each with a 0.66-gallon capacity, which is just the right size to store laundry detergents, pods, or even dryer balls. With the addition of a dryer sheet holder, you'll have everything in one place, neatly organized, and within easy reach. And don't worry about maintenance. The containers are dishwasher safe, and the bamboo lids only require a quick wipe with a damp cloth to keep them looking brand new. Now, let's talk about the versatility of these containers. While they are perfect for laundry room storage, their uses don't stop there. You can easily repurpose them to store things like cotton swabs, baking soda, or even small craft supplies. Their sturdy construction makes them more durable than glass, and the eco-friendly materials make this set a great choice for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. The HomePekite set also comes with waterproof labels, allowing you to customize each container to suit your needs. You can label them as pods, scent beads, or whatever you prefer, ensuring everything stays organized and easy to identify. Plus, with 3 scoops included, measuring your detergent or pods has never been more convenient. In terms of storage capacity, these containers are not only functional but also space efficient. The 0.66-gallon size is perfect for typical laundry room needs, helping you maximize your storage space without overwhelming the area. The transparent design also makes it easy to keep track of how much product you have left, so you never run out unexpectedly. Lastly, if you're someone who enjoys the farmhouse aesthetic or you're looking for a practical yet stylish housewarming gift, these containers will undoubtedly be a hit. Their timeless look and practicality make them a great addition to any home. So, if you want to transform your laundry space into a beautifully organized haven, the HomePekite 3+1 Pack Laundry Pods Container Set is the way to go. With its perfect size, durability, and elegance, it really does stand out as the best detergent storage solution out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the best home products.